Hey, what's up, fellas? We are going to randomize the team order here. I got everybody in here. Andy, John Smale, who's obviously Black and Gold, is a huge Iowa fan. Brandon Adams, Garrett, Chili Vanilli, who would be Josh Gilstrap, James Worthy. The worst name out of all of them that we have is this reference to this idiot in St. Louis, Joe Buck. But we do love Brandon Sutton, so we'll allow it. Uh, it speaks for itself. Rolling with my homies. Tom Zagazda and Travis Gladowski. There's your 10 names. I've already got them in this randomizer right here. You guys can see the randomizer. And we're going to go over here and we're going to roll the dice virtually to see how many times we're going to randomize that name list. All right, we're going to go 9 times. At the end of the 9th roll, that will be our draft order. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, damn it, and 9. I went from first to fucking 8th. I can't allow Brandon Adams to have the first pick, so I'm going to void this out and start over again, and I'll let you guys know when I get the second one done. Okay? See ya.